This is Yogesh from RisePOS by One Green Diary.
In the earlier video, we discussed about how to register a customer and extend a credit for an order. This time, we would learn about how to clear a credit. Let's add a customer to clear a credit. Now, as you have entered the customer phone number, the name has appeared as it was a returning customer. You clicked on Submit. In order to clear the credit, click on Diary option. Then click on Clear Diary. Then you would be asked an amount that you wish to clear for the customer. You can either clear a partial amount or you can clear the entire credit amount. In this case, we will clear the entire credit amount. We will select the payment type as cash and click on Done. As we click on Done, the customer will receive a confirmation message as a text message on the phone. That is about clearing credit for a customer.